This is going to be our 2020 Jeep Compass Latitude. Going to come in the beautiful velvet red clear coat. Going to have halogen headlights, halogen fog lights as well. Under the hood, you're going to have an inline 4 with just around 45,000 miles on it. So a ton of life left in this thing. Going to have 17-inch wheels with some all-season tires, so you can drive in the winter or rain with a ton of confidence. Going to have the roof rack or roof rails up there, so you can put a roof rack on top. Also on these side mirrors, going to have blind spot monitoring, so that it's going to let you know if any cars or anything is in your blind spot. Turning to the trunk now, you're going to have a backup camera back here, let you know it's behind you at all times. And you're going to have a ton of space in this trunk for whatever you would like to throw back here. You can also fold these seats down 60-40 split to give you more storage capacity if need be. Jumping into the interior, going to have black leather and cloth seats all the way around. Super nice interior in here, and one of the coolest features, it does have a panoramic sunroof, so you get a nice open feel to the interior as well. Coming in that front seat, you're gonna have bucket seats up here with that black and cloth seating as well. Super nice. The steering wheel is gonna have a bunch of buttons to control the dashboard as well as the infotainment system. This infotainment system is going to be a Uconnect system. Gonna have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, a whole bunch more packed into here. Right below that is where you're gonna have all your climate control, everything. But yeah, you have a ton of storage in that center console, and just an overall super nice car. If you're interested, come on in, check it out for yourself, or give us a call anytime.